Have you ever wondered why some developers seem to make six figures effortlessly while others struggle to make ends meet? The truth is, the difference lies not in talent but in strategy. Today, I'll show you how to unlock your full earning potential as a developer using proven methods that have transformed countless careers. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your coding skills into a lucrative income stream, whether you're just starting out or looking to scale. Many developers enter the field with dreams of financial freedom, only to find themselves stuck in low-paying jobs, chasing inconsistent freelance work, or working endless hours with little reward. It's frustrating to have valuable skills and not know how to monetize them effectively. For instance, think of John, a self-taught developer who spent years working on small projects, earning barely enough to cover her expenses. His story resonates with so many in the field. But here's the good news. With the right strategies, you can escape this cycle and achieve the financial success you deserve. 1. Traditional employment. Landing high-paying jobs. Landing a high-paying job is one of the most reliable ways to secure a steady income as a developer. Companies are constantly on the lookout for skilled professionals who can help them innovate and grow. To stand out, focus on mastering in-demand programming languages like Python, JavaScript, or Go. These are highly sought after in industries such as AI, fintech, and cybersecurity. Build a strong portfolio showcasing projects that demonstrate your skills and problem-solving abilities. Platforms like LinkedIn can connect you with opportunities tailored to your expertise. For example, a developer skilled in Python might secure a position in data analysis, earning over $100,000 annually. Begin by identifying job descriptions that align with your skill set and tailor your resume accordingly. The impact? You'll not only achieve financial stability, but also gain access to benefits and opportunities for career advancement. 2. Freelancing. The flexible path to high earnings. Freelancing offers the freedom to set your own rates and work on projects you're passionate about. Start by creating profiles on platforms like Upwork, TopDAO, or Fiverr. Specialize in a niche, for example, website development for small businesses or mobile app development. This specialization will make you more attractive to clients seeking experts. One freelancer, James, turned his passion for e-commerce into a thriving business, designing Shopify stores for clients worldwide. By charging $3,000 per project and completing 2 projects a month, he's now earning 6 figures annually. To replicate his success, focus on building a strong portfolio and delivering exceptional value to clients. The result? You'll enjoy financial independence while working on your own terms. 3. Side hustles. Monetizing spare time. Your spare time can be a goldmine if you know how to use it. Consider creating and selling digital products like mobile apps, website templates, or plugins. With platforms like the App Store or Google Play, you can reach millions of potential customers. For instance, a simple productivity app that helps users organize their tasks can generate passive income. Imagine selling 1,000 copies at $10 each. That's $10,000 in revenue. Start by identifying a problem you can solve, develop a minimum viable product, and market it through social media or paid ads. The payoff? Consistent passive income that grows with minimal effort. 4. Building SaaS, software as a service, platforms. Creating a SaaS platform is one of the most lucrative paths for developers. The recurring revenue model ensures a steady income stream. Begin by identifying a niche problem, for example, small businesses needing simplified project management tools. Develop a minimum viable product and offer subscription plans. Take John, a developer who built a simple CRM tool for freelancers. With 500 users paying $20 per month, he now earns $10,000 monthly. The key is to focus on solving real problems and scaling your solution. The reward? A business that generates income while you sleep. 5. Teaching and sharing knowledge. Sharing your expertise can be incredibly rewarding. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and even YouTube allow you to create and monetize educational content. Start by identifying popular topics within your niche, for example, Introduction to Python for Data Science. Sarah, a developer who started teaching part-time, now earns over $50,000 annually from her courses. To replicate her success, focus on creating high-quality, beginner-friendly content. The benefit? You'll establish yourself as an authority while earning passive income. 6. Open source contributions. Building credibility. Contributing to open source projects not only builds your reputation, but can also open doors to sponsorships and job opportunities. Platforms like GitHub are excellent for showcasing your work. Consider Jane, who developed a popular JavaScript library. Her contributions caught the attention of a tech company, leading to a lucrative job offer. Begin by identifying projects that align with your skills and start contributing regularly. The outcome? A stronger portfolio and valuable industry connections. 7. Exploring blockchain and Web3 opportunities. Blockchain development is one of the highest-paying fields in tech. Smart contract development, NFT marketplaces, and DeFi platforms are in high demand. Learn tools like Solidity or Rust and explore platforms like Ethereum. For example, Alex, a blockchain developer, earns $150 per hour building decentralized applications. Start by learning the basics through online courses and contributing to open-source blockchain projects. The advantage? Access to a cutting-edge field with immense growth potential. 8. Creating and selling digital products. Selling digital products like plugins, themes, or extensions is another profitable avenue. Marketplaces like ThemeForest and CodeCanyon can help you reach a global audience. A WordPress developer might create a premium theme and sell it for $50 per download. With 1,000 downloads, that's $50,000 in revenue. Focus on creating high-quality, user-friendly products and marketing them effectively. The benefit? Scalable income with minimal ongoing effort. Every day you delay taking action is a missed opportunity to grow your income and achieve financial freedom. Imagine where you could be a year from now if you started today. Remember, success isn't about talent alone, it's about taking deliberate steps to maximize your potential. As Steve Jobs once said, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. Love your craft, and the money will follow. If these tips have inspired you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Which strategy are you excited to try first? Also, check out the description and pinned comment for useful links and recommendations. Since you made it this far, YouTube has chosen the perfect video for you to watch next. It's on screen now. Don't miss it.